Most people get this wrong when they play Blackout Bingo. They think winning is all about luck. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Blackout Bingo is designed to reward speed, accuracy, and consistency. The players who perform best usually aren't the ones tapping the fastest. They're the ones making fewer mistakes. In this video, I'll show you the best Blackout Bingo strategies for 2026, the common mistakes that hurt scores, and how to improve your gameplay without relying on luck. Let's get straight into it. The first strategy is simple. Focus on accuracy before speed. Many new players rush to mark every number they see. That often leads to missed matches and scoring opportunities. Instead, train yourself to scan the board efficiently and make accurate selections. This is where most people fail. They panic when the pace increases. The best players stay calm and keep their eyes moving across the board in a consistent pattern. That reduces mistakes and improves reaction time over the long run. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your score isn't only about marking numbers. It's also about maintaining momentum. If you lose focus for even a few seconds, you can fall behind quickly. That's why many experienced players play in a distraction-free environment. Turning off notifications and minimizing interruptions can immediately improve performance. For example, Jake plays while watching TV and checking messages. Alex plays with full concentration for a few minutes. Even if they have similar skill levels, Alex often achieves better results simply because he's focused. That's an easy win you can apply immediately. But here's the problem. Many players jump into competitive matches without enough practice. Practice rounds are valuable because they help you learn board patterns, improve recognition speed, and build confidence without unnecessary pressure. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest habit that separates average players from strong players. Before that, remember that every session is different. Don't chase losses or expect to win every match. Focus on improving your skills and making better decisions each time you play. Now here's the habit that makes the biggest difference. Review your mistakes. If you notice that you're consistently missing certain patterns or reacting slowly during specific situations, work on those weaknesses during practice. Small improvements can add up over time. The best strategy isn't finding a secret trick. It's building consistency. Let's quickly recap. Prioritize accuracy before speed. Stay focused and eliminate distractions. Practice regularly before entering more competitive matches. Avoid rushing decisions. And review mistakes so you can improve over time. Following these strategies can help you become a stronger Blackout Bingo player in 2026, while keeping realistic expectations about results. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming tips and app reviews, and let me know in the comments which strategy helped you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.